Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to easily copy the share link of a text file in Dropbox using the latest app update. Whether you want to share important notes, collaborate with teammates, or just send a quick reminder, getting the link is simple and fast. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, head to your app store and get it set up. That way, you'll always have access to your files on the go. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Files tab. This will bring up all your stored documents and folders, including the text file you want to share. Next, find the text file whose link you want to copy. When you spot it, look to the right and tap the three dots next to that file. This little icon opens up a menu full of useful options. From the menu that appears, choose Share. This option lets you set permissions, invite people, or simply get a link to the file. After tapping Share, you'll see several sharing choices. Look for Copy Link and tap on it. The app will instantly copy the shareable link to your phone's clipboard. Now that the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere, be it in a message, an email, or social media. This way, anyone with the link can access your text file quickly and securely, depending on the permissions you've set. And that's it. Copying the share link of a text file in Dropbox is straightforward and doesn't take long at all. With just a few taps, you've made it easier to collaborate or share information without sending heavy attachments. Thanks for watching.